Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Alda Nadia Ciptaningrum. I want to talk about reading journal. The information that I want to know is about leaf because there are so many kinds of leaf. The reading theme that I want to find about leaf development, whether leaf development is influenced by environmental factors. I found a journal on leaf development entitled Leaf Development and Morphogenesis. This journal is very related to the information I want to find because it is in line with the theme of leaf development. The way I look for specific information about the theme I want. I'm looking for a journal with the theme of leaf development. After that, there were many journals about leaf development. Then I took findings answered to my themes related to leaf development, which were influenced by environmental factors, and found the current journal that I should. In this journal, there are two authors who composed the journal, Maya Bar and Naomi Ori. The author main idea about leaf development and morphogenesis. The development of plants' leaves follow a general basis that is flexible and adapted according to species, stage of development, and environmental condition. The author informs the reader by discussing leaf imitation, the balance between morphogenesis and differentiation, and leaf margin patterns. So, the first step I took in reading a journal was to search for keywords. The keywords are in the abstract because the abstract is the conclusion of the word journal. Keywords in this journal are flexibility, leaf morphogenesis, plant hormones, introduction to transcription. The second step, look for a topic from the word journal. Topic found from the keywords. The topic is about development of leaf which are influenced by plant hormones. The third step, looking for the general main idea, is the development of plants leaf following a general basis that is flexible and adapted according to species, stage of development, and environmental condition. Leaves start from the apical meristem stage of shoot and develop into a flat structure of varying size and shape. This process is regulated by plant hormones, transcriptional regulators, and the nature of tissue mechanism. Discuss leaf imitation, balance between morphogenesis and differentiation, and leaf margin patterns. The fourth step, look for the main idea of the paragraph. The main idea of leaf imitation paragraph is that leaf imitation involves a complex network of genetic, hormonal, and mechanical factors. The main idea paragraph, the role of auxin during leaf imitation is the inhibition of polar auxin transport or mutation inhibition leaf imitation, while the application of auxin in meristem is to fiction to include leaf imitation. The main idea of the balanced paragraph between auxin and cytokinin is that good ordination of local auxin and cytokinin response regulates and stabilize leaf imitation. However, while auxin is clearly a positive regulator of leaf imitation, the effect of the cytokinin response on initiation is more complex, and its role seems to deep of species and development context. The main idea of the GAN paragraph that govern initiation. The integument GAN has been shown to promote the initiation and growth of organ and to mediating influence on organ initiation. The main idea of the paragraph mechanism of leaf initiation is that the initiation of organs involves the aging of the cells by change the cells wall. Mechanical springs and cells walls has been shown to influence the level and distribution of walls in cells. Main idea of the balanced paragraph between morphogenesis and differentiation is that leaf primordia experience growth. Morphogenesis and differentiation is a very flexible process that ultimately give rise to final leaf shape. The main idea of the regulator paragraph of lamina initiation and growth is that the first event during primary morphogenesis is that initiation and growth of lamina, which leads to the formation of rather and radial structure. Initiation and growth of lamina is estimated to require of abaxial and adaxial tissue, and lamina of growth also require coordination between the epidermis and the mesophyll layers. The main idea of the role and maintenance paragraph of marginal blastozone, namely the temporal and spatial leg of the activity determinants, the effective of determining space in leaf growth and the level of constriction of completely. The main idea of the paragraph controlling leaf size is that leaf size is very dependent on plant species but varies to some extent and is also adapted to environmental factor. Main idea of marginal patterns paragraph on simple and compound leaf is that marginal patterns depend on the flexible position of the area where lamina grow occurs and the area where growth is inhibition. That's it and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.